Yeah, hello, Jonas here, back at the boat in the harbor. We are right now in Vänersborg, Sweden, and we are going to exchange to a Chevy V8 hay distributor and new cables. We had a problem here with no spark at all, so I'm gonna take you through all the steps you need to know. So welcome aboard. We are here at Vän, the biggest lake in Sweden. We have an inner harbor here at the Vänern Lake. Here is the beauty and the beast, as we say. Yeah, let's do it. And here we have the Volvo Penta 5.7 GL engine. I have just had it up for repair. The spinning wheel was broken, so the starter engine didn't engage. So we lifted it up. We made new beds for the engine, new wood beds. Took about a week to do all the reparation of that with that. But now it's ended up with no spark because the boat has been water sized up to here, so most of it can be replaced. So here we have the original ignition, which we're gonna replace now with the red beast up there. And here I have a cable because this is from the turning key. I just put an extra wire to this yellow red wire, as you see here, to the ignition spark. This is like a fuse box. I didn't get any 12 volts to this here, so I had to do a cross cabling up there. So I'm gonna do and make a new cable from the ignition key and exchange that and the new cables. So yeah, let's start. So what we first do is remove these two screws here. It's obviously come in some water in this part where you have electronics, so distributor cap. We have the spark plug number 1. Turn so that the spark cap lines with number 1. So what I'm doing is I'm turning the engine around so that the cap is moving. Checking. Pretty much there, I think. And I have done a marking down here, so I know exactly where to align the new distributor. Okay, so now I have the cables free, and what you need to keep looking for to connect to the new, this is the, so this follows with this old one, and here comes the B+, it's purple. So the only bolt you need to loosen is this one under here. Shove it out and tighten. So now see if it gets loose, this part. Yep, there it goes. And voila! Part, I just throw it back in the sea. Oh no, sorry. Okay, so guys, now it's turn to install the distributor in the hole here. I cleaned it thoroughly, so we don't have any. It must be even. Put the gasket here, up here. And what you need to think about is this spinning wheel here. It's a bit with an angle, so you need to take that in consideration when you align it in the hole, so that the point is to where you made the marking. Let's see here, somewhere like that maybe. Let's try it. Yeka. Yeah. Now it's aligned pretty well. Here is the mark I did, and here is where it ends up, so it's a bit maybe 2-3 degrees off, but yeah, let's see if it works and if it's possible to fine-tune it. Okay, so here you have the B plus and the C minus or the tachometer connection. So the B plus, I have made a new connection. Okay, ignition cables here on the distributor. So be careful so that you put the right numbers in the correct sequence. Now I had this old cap which I could compare it to, which made it easier. Yeah, so yeah, now we're pretty close to crank it up. Let's see if it starts. Yeah, welcome back folks. Now we are ready for startup. It's a moment of, I don't know, Jesus Christ or whatever. If you are believing in something, that kind of stuff. No. Okay. Now is the moment of truth. Is it going to start or not? Yeah, what do you say, Emma? Let's try.